MC Rental offer various types of vehicles, predominantly because our parent company, our sister company, is a Volvo dealership and Isuzu dealership, but we offer all makes and all sizes. So whether it be cars, vans, and that can be Mercedes, Volkswagen, Ford, Vauxhall, and then you get into the trucks, predominantly Volvo and Isuzu, but we do other marques such as Mercedes, DAF and MAN. General haulage tends to be the tracked units and the rigid curtain side vehicles, but we do construction vehicles which are tippers, tipper grabs. We do brick carrying vehicles or builders merchants type vehicles. We do a whole array, drop sides, 7.5 ton tarmac tippers. We've even got refuse vehicles on fleet.
So some of the standout features on our tracked units compared with our competitors are that we have larger cabs rather than the standard sleepers or the high cab. So with a Volvo, it's the Volvo XL Globetrotter cab. With DAF, it's the XF Super Space Cab or XG, and with Mercedes, it's the Gigaspace. This will actually help with driver retention and driver satisfaction because you're making their working environment far better. With refrigerated vehicles, we tend to have specified a refrigerated unit higher specification than perhaps it needs to be, which again helps the product being moved, and we have dual compartment refrigerated vehicles to give the customer maximum versatility. So the other thing is our fleet is relatively new compared with some of our competitors, with an average age of approximately 42 months. So we can tailor the contracts and the hire from a month to 5 or 6 years, so up to 7 years. We will look at tailoring the vehicle from the front of the vehicle to the rear of the vehicle and top to bottom to exactly what the customer requires. Looking at different bodybuilders on a rigid to find the best solution for your requirements. And as same with auxiliary equipment, we will look at all the different suppliers within the market for example, a crane, and see which actual crane manufacturer offers the best solution.
We have a management system. The computers will basically tell us, we'll pull off reports saying when preventative maintenance I should say, is due, and we will proactively help the customer to book those in. Quite a lot of preventative maintenance, as the name suggests, it is designed to prevent the vehicle breaking during its 6-week maintenance cycle, because every 6 weeks in general the vehicles will go in for almost like a little mini MOT to make sure that they're roadworthy and safe and legal, etc., etc. So that's the idea of they're called PMIs, so preventative maintenance inspections. Things do happen out on the road. Things, of course, mechanical things will break every now and then, or accidents will happen, etc., etc. That's when our reactive side comes in, and we'll take the incoming phone call, as I said, and work with the customer and the supplier to make sure that the vehicle goes back on the road as quickly as possible. We help to keep the revenue stream coming into the company by keeping the vehicles out on the road, because ultimately that's why if customers have the confidence in us to know that our vehicles are going to be reliable, but when we do get problems, we're going to get back on the road as quick as possible. That helps with our repeat business side of things. Another side to what we do is obviously cost management as well. We want to repair the vehicles in a cost-effective way. That's without cutting corners, of course. Anything that we spend on the lorries comes off the company's bottom line. So it really is a balancing act to make sure that the vehicles are repaired in a timely fashion and a safe and effective fashion, whilst also being cost effective as well. The customer ultimately wants as much uptime as possible from us. So we want to make sure that the lorries, the vans, the cars essentially are a tool for our customers' business. And without that tool being usable, it's not helping them at all. The service we provide is essentially helping them to operate their business. As I say, without it, they can't operate. So it's vital. We're a vital sort of cog in the machine, really, to help them do that.